Hey guys, Jordan here. Before we dive into this video, I just want to say that you can sign up for the complete course, The Ultimate Photographer Formula, free of charge. It is an email course, so you'll get one video a day over the duration of 65 days as you progress through the course. And you can sign up for that free of charge by clicking the link in the description. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about 5 things that make for a great real estate video. Number 1, composition. Making sure that you have good composition in your shots and that you're diversifying what shots you're getting really is very, very important for real estate video. And number 2 is flow of the video. So the route that you're taking the potential viewer on during the video is very important. You want to start at the front, go through the inside, and then head out back. You don't want to be jumping all over the property throughout the video. Number 3, music that matches the property style. So this one is often overlooked. I've seen so many real estate videos that have elevator music to it. Sometimes you have a super modern house with like a track that doesn't really make sense for the style of the home. So you want to make sure that you match something that actually not only matches the property style but also your agent style. So this is something that we often reach out to our customers and ask, what style of music would you like with this particular property? All right, and number 4 is your camera settings. Now, camera settings can really make or break your footage, so you want to make sure that they're dialed in the way that you shoot. And number 5, the tools that you use. So you want to make sure that you're using a nice wide angle camera. And depending on your budget, you can go with the nice 4K camera, or you can just stick with a entry-level 1080p camera. Or if you have no additional tools, you can even shoot a video with your iPhone. But depending on the tools you use, your footage is gonna look better or worse. So it is important, but I would say it's not the most important factor for real estate video. All right, so those are 5 things that really make for great real estate videos. There's a lot to uncover with each one of those, but we'll go through each of them in this course. Reach out if you guys have any additional questions. We'll see you guys on the next one.